Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making goulash. You will need 2 pounds of ground beef, 3 cups of elbow macaroni, 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 cups of beef broth, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce, 2 14-ounce cans of diced tomatoes, 2 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt, and 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Using medium-high heat, bring a Dutch oven to temperature, then add your ground beef. Season with the salt and pepper and continue to brown your ground beef. Now add the onion and garlic and continue to cook until your onion is translucent. Add the water and beef broth, then bring your liquid to a light boil. Add the tomato sauce and diced tomatoes, then mix well. Add the Worcestershire sauce, seasoned salt, and Italian seasoning, then mix well. Now add the bay leaves, cover, then allow it to cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add the macaroni, then cover and allow it to cook for an additional 15 minutes. If you're looking for an easy weeknight recipe, then you must give this a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grab